New Tesla 4680 battery update. Ever since Elon Musk announced the insanely powerful 4680 battery at the Battery Day event in September 2020, people have been going crazy about it. Musk's grand claims that it can drastically reduce the price of Tesla cars and make them more affordable are unbelievable. It's evident that Tesla's Model Y is already being produced with a 4680 battery, but that's not it. There's much bigger news than that. Hello and welcome back to Wealth Up. In today's video, we will talk about the latest news on the mass productions of Tesla's 4680 battery, Panasonic's involvement in this, and so much more. Tesla ascensions to the top of the most valuable vehicle sector was not accidental. The company worked hard to become the world's leading EV manufacturer. This has been made feasible by Tesla's green energy car revolutions, which has positioned the company as a pioneer in this new automotive market. Over time, the race to move away from combustible engines and towards renewable energy sources has taken a new turn, accelerating the development and use of electric vehicles. Combustible engines have controlled the market for many years, but things are starting to change. Thanks to Tesla and Elon Musk, electrical vehicles differ from gasoline-powered vehicles in that they rely significantly on rechargeable batteries. However, the range of these batteries is only a few miles. To make the productions of electric automobiles feasible, better electric batteries that are both sustainable and long-range must be developed. We can have an electric vehicle without an electric battery because they are the essential components of these vehicles. As a result, Tesla has discovered one crucial component that could accelerate sales growth. Tesla sold more than 500,000 electric vehicles in 2020 and almost 1 million automobiles in 2021. In the future, the company aspires to sell 4 million units by 2024. As the company detects some indicators of supply chain delays, this aim is both ambitious and unrealistic. Tesla will only be able to meet its target of delivering over 4 million electric cars by 2024, which is only 2 years away if it revamps its electric car production. And guess what? Tesla's new battery is all about this. Musk's statement says that Tesla will start producing batteries aimed to alleviate those constraints. It wasn't a governmental secret. Recent purchases, leaked images, patent applications, and study published by Jeff Dunn, one of the pioneering researchers of the lithium-ion battery and Tesla's head of battery research, have all hinted at the company's move to in-house battery production. This is where Tesla has caused yet another upheaval within the company. It's the 4680 battery cells this time. These are larger battery cells than Tesla's 2170 batteries, which will improve efficiency in Tesla's automobiles. It will result in lighter Tesla vehicles that can operate on less battery for the same range. Alternatively, they could be utilized to build higher performance vehicles such as a high-performance Model Y or perhaps a Model Y Plaid and the impeding Cybertruck and Semi. This is a Tesla's disruption, and that distinction is critical. Once a company is established, many of them cease inventing and develop at a considerably slower rate. With Tesla, however, this is not the case. Despite the fact that they are a mega-cap company, they are growing at a rate of over 60% every year. The 4680 batteries will enable them to grow productions and increase vehicle margins, as well as create higher performance automobiles. Could this suggest that a long-range Model Y will be produced in Fremont, California, and a new high-performance Model Y will be produced in Giga, Texas? It could be both, but we'll most likely see the first deliveries from Giga, Texas by the end of March and be able to tell what types of vehicles they are. According to recent press release from Tesla's battery partner Panasonic's energy divisions, will create a 4680 cell production facility at its Wakayama factory in western Japan. Besides, mass manufacturing of the new battery cells is planned to begin in the fiscal year that ends in March 2024. Panasonic's goal with the effort is to assist the company to expand its electric vehicle battery business globally. While Panasonic's mass production's timeline is cautious, the company revealed that it is currently creating 4680 battery cells across different facilities within Japan. Some speculations over reports say that LG is expected to start producing the 4680 cells in 2023 for the US and European markets. LG Energy Solutions said in early February that it is producing 4680 batteries to diversify its cylindrical battery lineup. The battery manufacturer did not reveal any client-related information, including information about 4680 batteries. The Korean battery manufacturer, on the other hand, is a certified Tesla partner. LGES reported KRW 4.44 trillion or $3.7 billion in quarterly sales, up 10.2% from the previous quarter. Strong demand for the pouch and cylindrical battery cells for electric vehicles, as well as small-sized pouch batteries for IT gadgets, fueled the company's quarterly sales rise. In addition, the company reported full-year revenue of $14 billion in 2021, up 42% from 2020. LGES forecast revenue to reach $16 billion in 2022, up 8 years over year, thanks in part to sustained expansions in the electric vehicle sector. This year, the battery manufacturer intends to steadily increase its production capacity. It will also invest $5 billion in capital expenditures, up 58% from 2021, in order to prepare for partner automakers' new electric car lineup. Young So-kun, CEO of LG Energy Solutions, highlighted that LG Energy Solutions will succeed by focusing on the fundamentals of quality and ensuring profitability. He later added that LGES will keep moving forward with big investment plans that would help them lead the industry in the long run, and that they are confident in their business strategy of planning for the future. On February 18th, Tesla stated in a tweet mentioning that the 1 millionth 4680 battery cell had been successfully manufactured at the Cato Road pilot facility, but the milestone was reached in January itself. This is the pilot production plan for Tesla's newest cell design innovations, the company's first unique battery design and constructed entirely in-house. The news comes as Tesla prepares to begin deliveries of its new Model Y, which will be outfitted with Tesla's 4680 cells and structural battery pack from its Texas manufacturing. This is the same battery manufacturing plant that was operational prior to Tesla Battery Day in September 2020. So it's been around for quite some time. While 1 million batteries may seem like a lot, and it is an impressive achievement, it isn't really a game-changing result after at least a year and a half of production, especially considering how fast these machines are moving. Now, plans are being established for mass manufacture of the 4680 batteries in anticipation of the cell's complete rollout in the future. Panasonic's Wakayama factory is slated to undergo a variety of upgrades. 2 new battery production lines and utility facilities are expected to be built in addition to the site's structural enhancements. Following that, the 4680 battery cells will be tested for productivity and mass production. Panasonic stated in a press release that it has been trying to improve its lineup of automotive lithium-ion batteries to help accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles. The company is currently working on a new high-capacity lithium-ion battery called the 4680 in several places across Japan. To prepare for the complete deployment, the company will gradually improve its production capacity. While Panasonic did not name its 4680 cell customers, it would not be shocking if Tesla, a longtime Panasonic partner, was one of the first to purchase the Japanese company's future batteries. After all, as proven by the two firms' effort in Gigafactory Nevada, the two companies have had a long working partnership. Panasonic continues to push the boundaries of battery technology. The Japanese company announced in January that by the end of 2022, it would be using recycled battery components from redwood materials to create batteries at Tesla's Gigafactory Nevada project. The company is expected to invest 80 billion yen or $692 million on this project. The 4680 battery will be 4.6 cm in diameter and 8 cm long, more than twice as large as the previous generation. The fundamental benefit of these batteries is that they are both inexpensive and effective. Panasonic will start testing a production line this year. Until 2012, the facility produced lithium-ion batteries for personal computers and cell phones. The company chose to build its own facility because of a bad experience with Tesla Gigafactory Nevada when they tried to build one previously. It experienced difficulties since the new production line has had to be built from the ground up, at the cost of more than 200 billion yen or about $1.8 billion. In addition, 350 engineers were required to be dispatched from Japan, where only experienced Japanese engineers were permitted to work on the production lines. Given that, the news is really crucial as it emphasizes that electric vehicle batteries are becoming cleaner and more sustainable over time. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think this mass production of the new 4680 battery with the collaborations of Panasonic can make the history in the EV industry? Start commenting on your answers below. Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe to our channel and remember to hit the like button. Turn on the notifications bell so that you will be notified whenever we release a new video. And share the video as far as possible because the more you know, the more you grow. Goodbye.